Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 112. Today we explore an often unused feature in YouTube, automatic captioning and translation. Now I know captions aren't the most exciting thing, but hear me out as these are quite important for student learning and accessibility, and we'll keep this video as short as possible. First, you should know how to identify videos that have captioning enabled. Move your mouse around whenever you have a video playing or paused, and look for the little CC icon down at the bottom right-hand corner. Click it to activate captions. Are working quickly to try to convert materials to online versions, and sometimes they just need quick tricks. These captions are automatically generated, and sometimes they get things a little wrong, but for the most part, they are pretty accurate. They're also very easy to implement, and they're easy to use for the students. Now, here's an awesome trick. Did you know that YouTube offers automatic translations of your captions? Yeah, you click on the little gear icon down here, then you go to subtitles, and then you can choose auto translate and pick whatever language you would like to see. Now it goes without saying that this is machine transcribed words. It takes the audio, converts it to what it thinks you're saying, and then converts that into another language. So there could be some rather hilarious results here. But the point is, this is free for almost every video on YouTube, at least the ones that have closed captioning turned on. And it's nothing to turn on closed captioning for your videos if you're putting them up, at least if you're doing the automatic closed captioning. Knowing this, you have a powerful tool for ESOL students to use, but it gets a little bit better. So what if you wanted to caption your own videos? Or better yet, provide automatically translated captions for any recorded sessions for students that may not have English as a first language, or may have hearing difficulties? Well, the first step is creating a video, and this can be done in many different ways, right? You can take a PowerPoint presentation, save it as a video, or you can go through a screen recording software like Screencastify, or you can use Google Meet or Zoom to record the remote instructions you may be doing in a meet, or you can just record yourself via webcam or phone or whatever. Either way, we start with a video. Then you simply upload that video to your channel in YouTube, and then you just add auto-generated captions or caption it yourself. You can do that in bulk by selecting one or more videos, and then going down to edit and setting the video language on there. You can also go to subtitles over here while you're in your studio and pick any one of these items here, pull it down and choose to add subtitles. Or you can open up a video that you've just uploaded or that you're editing and go over here to the subtitles tab and then simply choose the language that you want it to auto detect with. You can even set certain dialects for languages. I've chosen to make this the default for my channel, and then I'll hit confirm. Closed captioning can take a little bit of time to process and get onto there, but once you've enabled it on a video, people can simply toggle it on and off at will. One option you do have is to go into the subtitles area here and actually add subtitles manually. So you can come in here and upload a subtitle file, which are very specific types of files. You can go in here and transcribe it and auto-synchronize this, in which case you just come in here and you type or paste your full transcript, and Google will automatically try to sync up what you're saying with where in the audio it says it. So it's smart enough to detect pauses. Or you can even come in here and type it as you watch the video and pause the video and type in your transcriptions that way, and Google will align it to the right part of the video if you'd like. Obviously, once you've got those captions on the video, people can then enjoy them, and people can then also turn on automatic translation. However, if you are a person who is multilingual, you can just add another language and add in your own subtitles for that language if you'd like as well. I think that the automatic CC is amazing. It's a good example of machine learning, but the automatic CC with automatic translation in real time is just really impressive and really helpful for students of diverse backgrounds or ability. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.